spare parts for the tractor's arrived. So, first thing, I started unwrapping it. I thought I might as well film it. Got this is for the fuel injector. I've got a new spring because the one we took out was literally rusted away. A couple of air filters, a couple of gaskets. That's for the diesel injector. They were about 40 odd quid for that little pack. So let's have a look what's in here. Got a slot from old 20 tractor parts. In fact, let's do this one first. So I think I know what this one is. Oh, yes. I think I know what this is. This is an exhaust. Here's a joke. There's nothing to see here. Please move on. Good old memories. Now, let's move on. See what we've got in here. Now, I did order quite a lot of spare parts. Got this from old 20 tractor parts. Oh, yes, that is the manifold that holds that onto the exhaust manifold. So I get a upright exhaust. What else have we got? Thermostat housing, top cover. Looks like oil filter. That looks like an oil filter to me. So that's an oil filter. 2 fuel filters. My life. That is a diesel pump. What do you call it? That's the little thing that goes in and out and pumps the diesel. Can't remember what it's called now. Diaphragm. Diesel pump diaphragm. I know that's broken in the tractor. Looks like we've got some gaskets. I'll figure out what they're for. Some split pins. Not sure what they're for. Oh, and 2 bonnet. They hold the bonnet on. Bonnet bolts. Hose. Another hose. Oh! Fan belt. Look at the thickness of that. Fan belt. That looks like an exhaust clamp. Another hose. Hose air to Venturi, TEF. Another hose. Remember, we cut all these off because they were perished. That is probably easier if I show you what it is. That goes on top of the exhaust pipe, remember? Keeps the rain out. I've always wanted an engine that had one of these on. What else have we got? That's a rocker cover gasket. That is the rubber that goes underneath the bonnet. In fact, these rivets will hold that on. So that goes underneath the bonnet that the bonnet sits on. I think our one's disintegrated. Another hose. Thermostat. And that looks like everything. So watch this space. Oh, hold on. This wasn't packaging. This is gaskets. Loads of gaskets. Loads of gaskets. So God knows what, but I've just probably got a gasket there for everything, which is good. Some of them are thicker. I think the green one will be, yeah, that looks like the oil. Oh, I mean, there's loads here. I'll have to just look them up what they are. So we've got loads of gaskets as well. So I think we've got enough to get on with for now on the rebuild. Just a minute, I'll be back. Last thing that's turned up. What's that? Antifreeze from RYE Oils. There's 20 litres there. And what's this here? SA40 vintage engine oil, 20 litres there. So we've got enough to keep going here. There's enough here to keep us going. So watch this space. We're going to take off the exhaust that's rotted out at the moment that goes underneath it and get it to an upright exhaust with the bits you've seen. Shame it's brand new, but I'm sure it will rust out soon, or I might be able to age it because I'm going to leave the tractor oily rag. Watch this space. Over the next couple of days, I'll do some more films on the progress, but when's it going to start? One more thing, and you know who this is for. It's a hello. There's nothing to see here. Please move on. Hope you're all well. See you soon.